channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys my wash day routine, and I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use and how I use them. For shampooing, I use Tresemme Moisture Rich, the luxurious moisture for dry damaged hair with vitamin E. This is the shampoo that I use, and I use the condition that follows too. This condition, I love this condition. It's make my hair very soft and it make it very easy to detangle. So that's why I actually love this one too. So these two, I always use them together, and this is the ones that I always use for wash and condition. I don't use anything else. I'm gonna be doing a clay wash, and this time I'm just gonna be using a Ghassoul clay with apple cider vinegar. These two. And when I rinse it out, I'll be using the moisturizer again, so like put in the moist back to the hair and then, you know, detangle it some more. But before I wash my hair, I usually do a pre-pooing, and that's when I go in with Tresemme and just regular water. It makes it very easier to detangle. I'm just gonna pre-poo my hair now. I always section my hair into like 4 or 5 because if I don't do that, my hair is gonna get pretty tangled, and it's gonna make my detangling process very long. So I just start off with this small section. I'm gonna damp it a little bit. My hair is pretty tangled. My hair is damp enough. I'm just gonna go in with the condition. And I love this product. This is what I use for my pre-pooing and for my conditioning. Just gonna use a little bit amount and just work that in. Now I'm just trying to like get all the condition in there and try to finger detangle at the same time. And I'm gonna put that in a big twist. And then jump into the next one. Finger detangling is very easy because of the condition. That's why I love this condition. Make the hair so easy, and my finger can just run through just like that, you know. So that's it. My hair is all soaked in and then saturated with the condition. So now I'm gonna mix the Ghassoul clay and apple cider vinegar that I'm gonna be using after I shampooed. So yeah, this is how I mixed it. I'm gonna be using half a cup of Ghassoul clay. This is a 1/4, so I'm gonna be taking this twice, and 2. That's half a cup. And then I'm gonna blend in the apple cider vinegar. I just see how many cups of this we can use. There's 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna add in a cup of plain water, nothing else. This is the consistency, and this is actually how I like doing it because it's very easy to apply it and it's very easy to rinse out. And it's gonna dry it in the hair anyway, so that's why I don't make it very thick, or it's gonna take long time for it to get dry. So this is the consistency. So now I'm gonna go in and shampoo. So let's go. I'm gonna be using the Tresemme moisture rich shampoo for this. I'm standing over a sink because it's gonna be very messy, and let me take off. This is the clay. I'm just gonna dip my hand in and then just pass it through my hair, like that. Like I said, it's a very messy process, so make sure you have something old or you don't have anything against it getting messed up. So I just finished applying the clay wash on my hair. I'm gonna let it sit and dry like for an hour. It's not gonna be completely dry. Just like the definition down the hair. So, put this one here. This one's here. So it's been like almost an hour now and it's pretty dry. So I'm gonna rinse here and then condition it. I'm gonna apply the condition. And then finger detangling at the same time. Yeah, feels so soft. So my hair is all freshly washed and detangled, finger detangled of course, and now I'm gonna be applying the product.